Hi everyone, my name is Kabunga Tashina and welcome to Executed by Kabunga. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this cut crease. I'm starting off with the Zulu palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to take that magenta or pink color and I'm going to put that above my crease and blend it up into my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with my Patricia Bright Revlon palette and I'm going to use this red and put that right on top of that magenta, but closer to the crease. So now I am just taking a cranberry wine lipstick that I had laying around, and I'm just going to take that from the outer corner of my eye and into the crease. Then I'm going to just take a clean makeup brush and blend everything kind of together to make it look really clean. So now I'm taking my James Charles palette and using the darkest brown color in there, and I'm going to go right over top of that lipstick, right from the outer corner and into the crease. Once I feel comfortable with how my makeup is looking and everything is blended really nice, I go ahead and cut my crease and I put 2 layers of concealer over my lid. Now I'm going back in with the James Charles palette and using that white and just patting that into my lid. And I didn't get this on camera, but I do have a palette which has a really glittery eyeshadow, and you may not even see it on this, but I went ahead after putting on that white and just put that glittery eyeshadow on top. So for the finishing touches, I'm just going to bring in that darkest brown and cranberry into the white, just kind of switching off from those brushes, just so that I have a really clean transition going on, so that it's not like a stamp white and a stamp brown. I'm now going to use some setting spray, and then I'm actually going to blow dry my makeup on a low temperature. I just think that my makeup comes out a lot better with warm air than cool air. So yeah, you guys, if you liked this look, go ahead and press the like button and make sure you guys subscribe. Thanks again.